Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Komoran KO014 here with me for a maintenance session. This is just brand new, just got in. I already see some like little scratches. This is the halo of the sticker, the China sticker that was here. But let's see if we can improve a little bit the action, because there's this is running on bearings. It's not really drop shot. No lock stick because of the stainless steel insert. There's no blade play, but it's, I don't know, it's not ideal. It's very nice actually, but as a knife, but not as action wise. So let's see if we can do anything to improve it. So I think this is gonna be like a T8. And what is this, T7? That would be interesting. No, it's T6 with some play, and that's a T8 for the screw, for the pivot. Exactly. All right, cool. Let's do this. All right, spinning pivot. Very, very nice. Spinning pivot with some Loctite. Not ideal, but we did it. See, there's some Loctite right over there, but not too bad. Let's hope these are not spinning, and it's very good. So one is out, just 2 screws for the handle, and this should be like a breeze or like a walk in the park. Look at this. This is out. Blade is out. Oh, pivot looks like it's keyed in some way. So let's just take this alcohol swab right over here and just clean it up. Oh, there are some nice milling lines, internal milling lines. There's some thick green grease and a little bit of rust. What is this? Okay, cool. So, yeah. Not ideal. I mean, it's all right. Actually, the milling is not too bad, guys. Not too bad. Okay, we've got... Guys, these are ceramic ball bearings. I'm telling you. That's pretty cool. The pivot is keyed in. It's D-shaped. Very, very interesting. And let's clean up nicely this tang over here. Also, let's eliminate the residue that was there, like from just right out of the box. And now this is pretty clean, but you see there's still something going on the surface. See, you still can see the halo of the sticker right over there. Very interesting. All right, next up, let's get rid of the backspacer, which is nicely milled, guys. I have to say that. Huh. It's a nice milled out titanium backspacer. Guys, this is like what, like $50 knife, $40 knife? So very inexpensive. I mean, there's cheaper, but it's cheap. And ceramic ball bearings, stainless steel insert, D-shaped pivot, like I don't know how, because neither the scales are D-shaped, so that's interesting. What else we have? ceramic ball bearings. They're all right. There's some gunk for sure. Stop pin. Okay. Guys, actually positively surprised. I didn't have any many expectation for this one. But I think it's not bad. So far, construction-wise, it is all right, I have to say. It's dirty with some green, slimy kind of thing, so that's not good. But, I mean, the D-shaped pivot is D-shaped for no particular reason, because there's no keyed-in hole. So that I don't know why it happened. So this is the first one. This is the second one. You have a dip carry pocket clip, titanium. It's milled nicely. There are some milling grooves going on. We need to try the clip and see how it works, but let's just clean up this area here so there's no residue over there. Okay, so let's see. We are in business, guys. So really, why this pivot is D-shaped, you see? And this is not. So this is like freely spinning. They could have milled it differently to have a non-spinning pivot, but this is gonna be spinning, guys. So whatever. Non-oil, 10 weight in, like so. Very good. And then we've got the bearings in, done. And then blade, just a little bit like that, just a tiny bit on the detent ball, and that is done. Good. Next, we are going to use these two screws. We have, so you see how they shouldered the backspacer over here. So it doesn't really, I mean, it's keyed in, has to be, you see, let me show you, has to be like so. So like this won't work, that's not the right position. So it has to, this guy has to come out and actually has to be placed like that. So it's wobbly. It's not like perfectly in place because the blade is gonna be here, so they had to shave off a little bit, I'm assuming. But I mean, it's nicely done. I mean, it's all rightly done. Let's do a little bit of this over here. And the other bearing, just a little bit more. And let's see, don't forget the stop pin right over there. And we are basically done. You know what? Why not? Whatever. I'll just do a little bit of that. And let's see if we were able to improve the action of this little guy. Komoran KO014 in the house. I got this because first of all it was cheap, and second because it was looking good, guys. I mean, this is not a bad looking knife. Come on, it's all right. I'm not sure what the steel is. I still haven't done any research, but I'm pleasantly surprised. Oops. I mean, they could have done a little bit better with this D-shaped pivot. I'm not sure what was going on there. They missed a step for sure. This is some blue Loctite, just to keep the pivot in place. Nothing too strong. It's a little bit on the weak side, but it's working. All right, so let's see what we have over here. We have some blade play, so that's not good. So let's just, oh yeah, tighten that down. There's no blade play. Okay. Oh, guys, this is actually, I have to say that I'm gonna add a little bit of nano oil over here, which I already did, so let's not exaggerate. Let's just spread the nano oil on the tag of the blade. Guys, I have to say, the blade is centered, okay? The action is vastly, vastly improved. I have to say, push button works. Light switch works. Guys, I'm honestly impressed. I am honestly impressed. This is how you perfect the kind of bad action of the Komoran KO 014. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.